Turtle Wax Super Hardshell Soft Paste Wax is an essential one-step wax for your detailing routine that cleans, shines, and provides up to 3 or more months of durable protection. The carnauba-based formula maximizes your car's finish in both appearance and durability, shining like none other while offering incredible beading and protection against anything nature tries to throw its way, including UV rays and acid rain. The single-step formula is easier than ever to use, making application and removal as effortless as it gets for conventional and clear coat finishes, both new and old, so your car, truck, or boat remains scratch and swirl-free. Known for having over 101 other uses, Super Hardshell Paste Wax is also safe for non-porous home surfaces, including synthetic marble countertops, appliances, and shower doors. Turtle Wax Super Hardshell Soft Paste Wax provides your vehicle with maximum cleaning performance, shine, and long-lasting protection in just one easy step.